This is a shoe and boot dryer slash glove and sock warmer with 4 adjustable pipes featuring 1, 3, and 6 hour timer, UV sanitizer, and odor deodorizer. I was sent this to review, so let me show you a closer look because it's a must-have in the winter. And it even folds flat for compact storage. Kind of looks like a ship from Star Wars. Wow. So these are just gonna come up. They're all adjustable. Oh my goodness, and then the heat is gonna come out of those. Here is your control panel. It comes with a very easy to understand visual user's manual in English and Spanish. You can adjust these into different positions so that you can get 4 items on there. And these also adjust upward. So that's better for like tall boots. Not only will it dry your shoes and boots, but it can warm them up so they're toasty warm when you put them on to go outside again. Great for warming slippers as well. You turn it on and then there's 1, 3, or 6 hour timer. So we'll do 1 hour and then you can change from low to high. If you want to avoid cross-contamination, you can divide the pipes. For example, these 2 for outside shoes and these 2 for cleaner things like socks and gloves, or you can just kind of like use them for whatever you need them. That's what we're doing. I love how quiet it is. Product page says 38 decibels. You could bring it with you on vacation, use it in the hotel room while everybody's sleeping, no worries. It sounds like a fan or like a space heater. It's quiet. Ooh, you could feel it. It's not like air blowing out strong. It's not like a hairdryer or anything. It's just warm.